So I made a couple of jigs in preparation for making my segmented edge table. The cherry here on the outside is the part I need the jigs for. The part in the middle I cut by hand. But in order, first of all, to make this very large circle for the tabletop, I made this. This is a circle cutting jig for a router. And here's another one I've already made. I took the router bits out, but this is pretty interesting. It's very simple. It's like my bandsaw jig as well. Put that back in there. And you just basically turn this, and that moves this middle part here. And so you can make any kind of shape of round circles from, I think, from about 22 inches to 48 inches or something like that. And if I have something smaller than that, I just use my bandsaw jig, which I don't have out. Anyway, this is a jig I'll probably use a lot because it makes really good circles and works great. Along with that, part and parcel with that, was this jig, which was to round the segments on an octagon for this table. So you can see that if you look closely here, you can see that there's a segment, and this jig, even though you'd think it would be the hole that does it, it's not. The hole's just there for the router blade to come through. But basically this, you attach this jig to this jig, and it helps make the segments that go around the outside. The perfect segments, I might add. You need to have perfect segments in order to make it work. This jig I'll probably never use again, or maybe, I don't know, maybe once or twice to make, if I ever make another edge round table. This jig I'll probably use a lot though, because it, like I said, it works really well to make round circles, and I'll make a lot more of those than I will edge tables.